brothers have a special privilege to be obnoxious little pigs. No, I think that you and I should get together at the Republican Inn and have a nice long talk with Rev Randy about their behavior.
These are kids without central nervous systems, all right? We have to learn how to out-torment them.
Oh, I stoop to their level.
Exactly. You want to teach Brad and Randy a lesson? Now you're going to cook that chili. I'll cut up this cauliflower, and we'll tell them you've got rabbit brains in it.
We're going to talk to them. We'll just tell them how much they're hurting Mark's feelings and how much that behavior disappoints us.
And if that fails, yeah, old Peter Cottontail hops right in that chili. Boys, sit down there. Your mom has something she wants to say to you.
I believe that we have something that we both want to say.
Yeah, right. Okay. What if your mom is saying, I'm saying it? Just that she's the one saying it. Which doesn't mean that I'm not saying what she's saying. Say what I'm saying.
You guys promised Mark that you would take him with you to the park, and then you ran off and left him here.
We went in the backyard and he never came.
You waited 5 seconds.
He didn't say how long he had to wait.
Don't get smart.
Hey, I think she's missing the point here. We are a family. If one of us is hurting, we're all hurting. If you hurt Mark's feelings, you also hurt my feelings. It's your father's feelings. Right now.
You guys like cauliflower? However much fun you think it is to torment your younger brother, it's wrong.
Dad, what about all those terrible things you did to Uncle Steve? Steve's very younger brother.
Uncle Steve is a major pain in the... This is different.
What?
Because Steve knew I was kidding, that's why.
Why doesn't he come to any family reunion?
Because he lives so far away.
No, he doesn't. He's for
Hey, you know, we're not talking about your Uncle Steve, we're talking about you two.
That's right. And we want you to start treating Mark the way that you would like to be treated. You know, that old golden rule thing.
Okay, we're sorry. Honey?
Yeah?
What are you doing?
Looking for something to put that chili in.
How about a trash bag?
I'm looking for that big pot we take on cook-up.
No, I think that our talk with Brad and Randy really helped. It's been really nice work, though.
Oh! Look at that thing. Little struggle I had in my dormitory room.
Very girly and far out, man.
It wasn't even on at the time. Whoa! All these old 8-track tapes. In-A-Gadda-Da-Vida.
Okay, smart guy. Who sang In-A-Gadda-Da-Vida?
I just went In-A-Gadda-Da-Vida.
Who sang In-A-Gadda-Da-Vida so people wanted to hear it?
You are an evil woman.
Evil Woman, sung by Electric Light Orchestra, 1976.
Lucky guess.
Luck, skill.
All right, Brainiac. Who sang? Play that funky music.
Wild Cherry, also 1976, released on the Epic.
Come on.
Come on, Tommy Rowe, 1964.
Stop.
In the name of love, supreme. 1965, let's see. When it comes to song title stuff, I am the high priestess of pop.
Well,
You're done.
myself.
Name the first song that we ever slowed in. What?
Pretty girl.
Name the first song that we ever slowed in.
Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Give me 5 years.